For instance, this guy literally just posted a segment from WWE Raw live on television, right? It's been up for 6 years, never been taken down. It's got 3.9 million views. And so you won't see an ad pop up here. Sometimes that happens. Like, I'm in a situation right now where I'm even going to like people that I know have ads all the time, and the ads aren't showing up right now for some reason. Some days that just happens, but the way you know, let me move this real quick, that they still have ads is this yellow marker. You see that, or let me move this over a little bit. See that yellow marker right there? That yellow marker tells you that they do have ads. So right now it's not showing for whatever reason, but I know they still have ads on this video. So let me show you guys kind of how that works. So what I say is there's usually about 10% of the viewers will click an ad. And every time they click an ad, you get 3 cents. So that little box that pops up, or if it's a full video ad, if they click it, if they actually click on the ad, you get 3 cents. And so through my experience, 10% will click the ad. So out of that, 399,411. So almost 4 million views. So 10 cents or 10% click it. So that's 399,000 times 3 cents. So they probably made, yeah, so look, they made about $12,000 on this one video. Yeah. That's the power, okay, guys? So they have made probably about $12,000 off this one video that they didn't even make. And that's what I'm saying. You don't have to make your own videos to do this. I recommend against it. It takes a lot longer. This is literally just... this is literally just 6 minutes of WWE Raw is all it is, you know? And this is just some random guy. And then we can go look at his channel and see what else he posts and how many views he has. So yeah, he's just posting segments of Raw, literally is all he's doing. And you can see that yellow marker, which means they have ads, because if you get demonetized, you can't put ads at all, which means there is no yellow markers. So you know that this guy still does have ads. So total, he's got... most of those views came from that one video, but 4246786 times 0.10 times 0.03, so yeah, about $12,740, and that's just one guy. Okay, so let's keep going here. So you like, if you just Google wrestling shoot, for instance, go by view count here, you can see, so this controversial wrestling shoot guy, he just posts like videos of wrestlers doing interviews, like outside of their characters, right? So you click it, you do see that yellow thing, so you know that he does have ads. Sometimes, some days it just doesn't show up. I don't really know why. But like I said, I'll show you here. So like, go back to YouTube here, and I'll show you. This is just a video game guy named Jeff Favignano. All his videos are completely like not bad at all. And so when I click on them, this is how I usually test if ads are working right now or not. And as you can see, it's doing the same thing. And I know this guy has ads because I watch him all the time. And I just had an ad pop up for him a few minutes ago. But it's just off and on, so that's what I'm saying. But you know he has ads because this yellow box thing. But I know he normally has ads. So that's what I'm saying. So anyone that has those yellow boxes do have ads. So again, let's go to this guy's channel, Controversial Wrestling Shoots.
Big D.
So he is not the guy that makes these. So as you can tell, there's a whole bunch of different people, and so it's not him. He's just literally finding these off the internet, reposting them.
All right,
and he's getting ads on all of them, and this is wrestlers just literally talking, and he didn't make this at all. So then you go to his channel, and then this is how you can kind of see how much money they're making. So 33,263,746. 10% have viewed it, so that's gonna be a lot of money. Times 3 cents, yeah, look at that. Almost $100,000, guys. Almost $100,000. And I know that's a good calculation because I used to do the same exact calculations from my own channel, and once I actually got paid it, then I know that's the calculation to use. And that's all he did. Look at that. And he's been doing it for, you can look at the oldest. So his channel's been alive for over a year now with no problems whatsoever. So, you know, a year from now, I'll probably have 200,000, 300,000, 400. And he doesn't even have to work, you know. That's what I'm saying. And all he's doing is reposting videos and clickbaiting them correctly. And it's a niche that people are interested in watching. All right, so let's go to this guy. I study this guy, sometimes Open Mind. So basically, all he does is repost videos of like Alex Jones, Paul Watson, so different conspiracy guys. So as you can see here, you can sort by most popular. You can see that he does have ads with that yellow block there. And then, so I like to see how long they've been alive. So first I want to see, do they have ads? Second, I want to see how long have they been a channel. He's been alive for 3 years without getting taken down. So he's doing very well. And then I like to go to their about section and then add up how many views they have. Multiplied by 10%, multiplied by 3 cents. And on this channel, he's made $82,000. And so that's what I'm saying, man. $82,000 in 3 years, and I mean, it's probably, he hasn't been doing it consistently at the beginning. So as you can see, he only posted a few videos. So even 2 years ago, look, in the first 2 years, he only posted like this many videos. And so basically, he just started posting every day a year ago, as you can see here. So pretty much most of that 80,000, literally almost all of it, came in 1 year. So $80,000 in 1 year is pretty freaking good, and he hasn't been deleted at all, but he hasn't made any of his own videos. He's literally just reposting them. So that's what I'm saying. And so I teach you guys exactly how to do this, exactly what niches are really good to do, exactly how to find them, download them, repost them, all that stuff. I show you how to do all of that, how to get around certain things that are really important, and this can change your life. I'm telling you, this is the easiest way to do it, the easiest way to make money, because you do not spend any money, guys. So like I said, I made a bunch of money, saved it up through YouTube, and then I took that money and I used it for Shopify for ads for Facebook, Instagram, and things like that. So here's another guy that I study, Intense5. So all he does is repost Ben Shapiro videos. Again, he doesn't make them at all. He just literally reposts them. As you can tell, he still has ads. You still see these yellow blocks here. And so all he does is literally take like them talking and put like one picture over it.
That you just mentioned.
He used to have the actual video. He changed it to just a picture. I think that's a safety measure, so he doesn't get deleted, because now he technically edited it, right? Because he only took the voice of it and then put it to a new picture. So that's what he's doing to try to stay alive, I think, here. But if you see how long he's been a channel, yeah, he's been going for a solid year now, and then we'll do the money thing here. 11,145,425 times 10 times 0.03, 33,000. So he's made a good $33,000 in a year. Not bad. He only posts once every like 4 days, I think, or something. So I was posting like 7 videos a day, which is really easy. Like I said, you can schedule it to come out every hour all day long. You do that in the morning. You can just schedule it for whenever you want, or schedule it for a week ahead of time or tomorrow, so you don't have to work tomorrow. Whatever you want to do, it's really, really easy to schedule. I teach you how to do all that in the course. But I'm telling you guys, this is absolutely life-changing stuff. That's why I keep telling you guys about it, because this did change my life. This definitely did change my life, and it got the ball rolling for Shopify, for drop shipping, and so that changed my life as well. And so I wouldn't have been able to do it probably without YouTube, because I wouldn't have had the necessary money to really get going with, getting conversions on Shopify, putting enough ads out there, learning how to do ads. Takes a little bit of money, and then how to scale up from there. That's why you see like some of the most successful dropshippers spending thousands upon thousands of dollars on ads. Like Alex Becker, dude, probably spend 6 figures on ads, but makes more than that back. But you have to have that in order to spend it. And so that's where you can get really good money really quickly. So then here's another one that I found. And as you can tell, yellow block, that means he definitely does have ads. And so this one video alone got 3 million views here. So we'll go take a look at his channel real quick. So most of this came off that one video, but 4,255,904 times 0.10 times 0.03. So yeah, he's made a good $12,000 on his channel, and he has 3, 6, 9, 11, 13, 15 videos. He has 15 videos, guys. 15 videos of just like Will Smith talking, pretty much, and like random people talking. I think he talks in these last ones, but they don't have that many views. Most of them came from this one Will Smith talking video. And so that's it, dude. I mean, it's crazy. And there's a million people doing this. Go do your research. All of a sudden, you will be shocked Law of attraction
There will
coaching.
be
We'll check this
days
one out
where
real quick. So again, this is,
means something to somebody.
I mean, he
other
didn't
than
make
you.
this at all. He didn't make that video. He just found it. And so we'll check out his about. 35,152, 952 times 0.10 times 0.03, $105,000, guys. And that's foolproof method for calculating. So as you can tell, there's a million other ones out there. There's wrestling highlights. Some people highlight every episode of Raw, and they don't even highlight it. They'll just take the highlights or whatever. Highlight videos for football. There's a million out there. Go look. Go look. You'll see what I'm talking about. You'll see channel after channel after channel that have ads, millions of views, and have been alive for 5 years, and you can tell that they didn't make any of the videos. They just literally found them and reposted them. They're still alive, still making a ton of money, and that's how I did it, guys. It's that simple. Now there's licenses you can use and special videos you can find that are completely legal to repost. Okay.